Rohit start from the same point in opposite directions. After each 1 kilometer, Shahid always turns left and Rohit always turns right. What they are doing? They started from a common point and in opposite direction. So let's say one of them is moving towards north, other is moving towards south. Let's say Rohit is moving towards north and Shahid is moving towards south. After 1 kilometer, Shahid always turns left. So they move for 1 kilometer and they rotate. So Rohit always turns right. So let's say Rohit is here. Rohit turns right after 1 kilometer. After 1 kilometer, he'll again turn right. After 1 kilometer, he'll again turn right. So this is what how they will move. Shahid will turn left. So from here, Shahid will turn left. Shahid will move here, and then again he will turn left. So he will move here. So likewise, Shahid will move. Which of the following is correct? So after both have traveled 2 kilometers, the distance between them is 4 kilometers. So after both of them traveled 2 kilometers, so let's only focus on the time till they have traveled 2 kilometers. So by this time, both of them have traveled 2 kilometers. Rohit traveled 1 and then turned left, then traveled 1. Shahid traveled 1, then turned left and traveled 1. यहाँ इसने right करा था, इसने left. Distance between them is, right now you can see the distance between them is 2 kilometers and not 4 kilometers. This is incorrect. It is supposed to be 2 kilometers only after both of them have traveled 2 kilometers. They meet after each has traveled 3 kilometers. So yes, when he will turn right again, so he will be reaching this point after 1 kilometer. He will turn left again, so he will also reach this point after 1 kilometer. That means they will meet here again, and by this time both of them have traveled 3 kilometers. They will meet for the first time after each has traveled 4 kilometers. नहीं, ये गलत है. So they will not meet after 4 kilometers. They will meet at 3 kilometers only. They go on without ever meeting. ऐसा भी नहीं है. They will meet at 3 kilometers mark. Fine, easy question. Let's see the next one.